What is up, guys? Today we will be talking about how you guys can fix Roblox not launching on your PS4. Well, the process is pretty simple. For that, you need to log out of your Roblox from all the sessions. In order to do that, you can actually do this from your computer and on your browser as well. So I'm going to teach you how you guys can do this on your browser. In your browser, you just have to come to Google, search for Roblox, and then go to roblox.com. Now, in the Roblox website, this is what you will see. Here, what you have to do is you just have to click on this gear icon, which will open up settings, and then click on settings. Now, in the settings, just click on this privacy. Now, after clicking on privacy, you'll be able to see all of these options. You just have to scroll down, and there you go. Just click on this log out of all other sessions, and it will log out from your PS4. Now, try playing the Roblox. It will want you to log in. Just log into your Roblox account, and there you go. Your error should be gone. If that thing doesn't fix the issue, just in case, you just have to reinstall the Roblox app and it should fix it. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.